Greetings from the days of garish road trips. Introducing the 2026 Ford Motorhome, a revolutionary idea that combines renowned Ford durability with state-of-the-art luxury and technology. Its massive custom wheels, angular characteristics evocative of Ford SUVs, changeable LED lighting, and integrated solar panels on top for energy efficiency give it an aerodynamic and streamlined appearance at first look. The 2026 Ford Motorhome looks futuristic thanks to its state-of-the-art drivetrain, which is purportedly based on Ford's most current innovations. It may be a quiet, environmentally friendly all-electric motor or a potent, cost-effective V6 EcoBoost hybrid engine, offering a vast range for limitless experimentation. As you go inside, the modern high-tech cockpit welcomes you. A high-resolution panoramic touchscreen that spans from driver to passenger and offers fingertip control for all motorhome functions, including the most recent SYNC entertainment system and advanced navigation, is the dashboard's primary feature. An ergonomic steering wheel with integrated controls and a customizable digital instrument cluster ensure a simple and enjoyable driving experience. High-end elements like metal trim, supple vegan leather, and reclaimed wood accents are combined to create modern luxury. A spacious, comfortable, multifunctional lounge that embraces the open space idea and gets an abundance of natural light from the panoramic windows serves as the main interior area. Modular furniture allows for flexible arrangement. For instance, a soft sofa may be converted into an extra bed, or an electric folding table can be utilized to create a huge eating area. The best air quality is guaranteed with a cutting-edge air filtration system, and you may create different ambiances with an adjustable LED ambient lighting system. Ford's commitment to sustainability is evident in the interior's use of sturdy, eco-friendly materials without compromising style. The back bedroom provides a tranquil haven. A top-notch orthopedic mattress on a queen or king-size bed guarantees great sleep. Expansive vistas or total privacy can be achieved with large windows that have motorized shutters. Underbed storage, concealed drawers, and built-in closets keep everything neat. This bedroom is more comfortable thanks to separate reading lamps, USB charging connections, and an integrated smart TV. The clever design of the bathroom makes the most of both space and use. The bathroom has beautiful ceramic tiles and waterproof surfaces, a high-pressure rain shower, a water-saving vacuum toilet, and a designer sink with a sensory tap. Examples of modern and practical features include an LED-lit mirror, hidden shelves for storage, and an efficient ventilation system. The kitchen in the 2026 Ford Motorhome is every chef's dream when they travel. High-end full-size appliances including a 2-burner induction cooktop, a convection oven/microwave, a dual-zone refrigerator and freezer, and a compact dishwasher are included. Luxurious quartz surfaces include undermount sinks and pull-out faucets. Ingenious cupboards and storage drawers with features like a separate cutlery drawer and an integrated garbage can offer a tidy and useful space for preparing delicious meals wherever you go.